Sir, please introduce yourself, your company, and your role.
I am Ramkaran Reddy Rudravam. My company's name is RCV Innovations Private Limited. I am the CEO and co-founder of this company.
Thank you, sir. What does being data resilient mean to you in your today's digital landscape?
Data resilience is a critical part of any company's business continuity and risk management strategy. It is about how fast you can recover from a disaster and how well you have protected your data and you're able to continue your operations after a disaster.
Okay. What trends in data protection are you most excited or concerned about?
The current trend towards AI and current trend towards over-centralization of data in large cloud platforms is of big concern. It is very important to make sure at least one copy of data that's in the cloud should be on-premise in your own control, and you should have a clear policy and approach to manage the AI infrastructure and AI applications that your users are using.
Okay. How is your organization preparing for unexpected data disruptions?
The most important part of any company's data resilience strategy is to make sure there are multiple copies of data. There is a well-known approach called 3-2-1-1-0 where there needs to be 3 copies of your data on 2 different media, at least 1 copy in a remote location, and you should have 0 errors in your backups. So this is probably the most prudent way to ensure your data is protected.
Okay. How do you see the role of IT evolving in ensuring business continuity?
The role of IT is moving from just being a cost center into enabler of new innovation with AI taking a center stage. So as IT evolves into this role, they are not just custodians of data but also producers of important information, and this is a very different role from just being a custodian or operator of data.
Okay, that's great. What advice would you give to companies just starting their data resilience journey?
The best piece of advice is to make sure that every user is productive. That means every user's data has to be backed up, every application's data has to be backed up, and every service that you use on the cloud or on-premise needs to have a strategy where you can bring up the service after a disaster very, very fast. And that's the beginning of your data resilience journey.
That's all. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.